Jaghatai Khan and the White Scars. A storm was born, a legend untold. Jaghatai Khan, the Warhawk sword with a heart of fire, a blade of gold. Raised by the tribes, he learned the ways, swift as the wind in battle's haze. A leader of men, a conqueror's arch, a brotherhood forged, never to part. Ride, with the speed of the storm, white scars through the night we swarm. Loyal to the emperor, fierce and true, in the Heresy shadow, our legends grew. In the Great Crusade, they carved the name. With jetbikes blazing, they played the game. A friendship with Horus, deep and strong, but loyalty to Terra they chose all along. Caught in the warp by treacherous schemes, the Khan saw through the traitor's dreams. From Prospero's ruins to Terra's gate, a hidden rock force deciding fate. Ride, with the speed of the storm, white scars through the night we swarm. Loyal to the emperor, fierce and true, in the Heresy shadow, our legends grew. The cunning and speed, they broke the siege, turning defeat into victory's breeze. Dawn gave the word, the Khan unleashed, a whirlwind of death the enemy breached. Through the runway the stars did ride, for the Imperium their honor and pride. In the annals of time the tale endures, the sons of Chogoris forever pure. Ride, with the speed of the storm, white scars through the night we swarm. Loyal to the emperor, fierce and true, in the Heresy shadow, our legends grew. So sing of the Khan and his fearless band, the white scars glory across the land. For in the heart of the storm they forever roam, Jaghatai's warriors eternally home. In the Great Crusade, they carved the name. With jetbikes blazing, they played the game. A friendship with Horus, deep and strong, but loyalty to Terra they chose all along. Our legends grew. Our legends grew. The siege of Terra, a desperate stand, Jaghatai's fury across the land. Against Mortarion, he held the line, a brother's duel in deadly design. With cunning and speed, they broke the siege, turning defeat in traitor's dreams. From Prospero's ruins to Terra's gate, a hit-and-run force deciding fate. Jaghatai Khan, a desperate stand, Jaghatai's fury across the land. Against Mortarion, he held the line, a brother's duel in deadly design. A brother's duel in deadly design.